So I think, they have really struck all the right chords. So they have been talking about things like trying to balance the local government revenues and the expenditures. They talk about relaxing more FUCO constrictions. They also talked about how to promote the private enterprises. So I think all these, when it turns into more concrete policies, will really help to boost the economy. And we're also seeing more rolled out of policies like the trade-in of consumer appliances in the second half of this year. So I think all of these would really help to boost the economy. I would add to what John was saying. We're seeing the first half growth was pretty robust, 5% of real GDP growth rate. And yes, the export has doing very well, especially when you look at June, export growth by 6.9%, and the new trail, as John pointed, it has grown by 30%. So I think that is a bright spot. That said, I think there are some concerns. The local governments, for example, are quite strapped in debt. When you look at this year, the local government special bond issuance has now only reached about 200 billion yuan, which is 38% of the annual quota. So that means it's a very tight fiscal stance. John mentioned the real estate sector that dragged down real retail sales. And we are also seeing, the external trade environment is not being very friendly. EU and the US have been talking about or have increased tariffs on various products, and some other emerging markets like Turkey, like Indonesia also have raised tariffs. So I think there are some headwinds, but you're right. I think reforms and especially effective policies, I think are really going to help the economy in the second half of this year.